On November 2nd, 2016, readers saw an entire full-page ad titled, "Dear Microsoft." It was a long, extensive list of advice to Microsoft on how to make a good product, aka why Slack was so good. One final point, Slack is here to stay. We are where work happens for millions of people around the world. We're glad you're going to be helping us define this new product category. We admire many of your achievements and know you'll be a worthy competitor. Slack also published the same letter on their website. Slack was ready for a fight, but they were certainly a bit rattled, and for good reason. Teams added 31 million daily users in a single month in 2020. For context, Slack had 12 million total. There was a great exodus. Thousands of companies were leaving the colorful UI for that bleak corporate purple knockoff. Unfortunately, their opponent had broken the rules. Instead of competing for customers by having
I don't break when the storms come down. Been through hell, stand my ground. Ain't no
Top and bathtub. But then I discovered I can also use it to easily clean my patio furniture and even my shoes. I'm hooked.
And when wipes won't cut it, I use Magic Eraser Sheets. They're thin and flexible erasers, perfect for everyday messes, like gunk on my counters and sinks. They really are magical.
The reviews are in. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and Sheets make cleaning look easy.
Shit.
Like bones, your teeth lose density and become weaker over time, which can lead to tooth decay. And that can make your visit to the dentist feel like this.